Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy shares in TradingView. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to TradingView website. After you are in the website, make sure to log in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. Now, you need to open the charts of any stocks where you want to buy shares. For example, I'll open the charts of Apple. Once you select Apple from the stock list, click on Super Charts. It will open the charts in the new tab. Here in the charts page, you can right-click on charts anywhere. Here you can see settings option, click on it. Now in the chart settings, go to trading. Here you can see buy sell buttons. You need to enable this. And here you can see the buy and sell buttons are available in the charts now. Now click on OK. As you can see over here, the blue button is for buy and the red one is for selling. So if you want to buy shares, you need to click on this buy button. And in order to buy the shares, you need to first connect with your broker account. When you click on this button, you see the trading panel option. Here, if you scroll down, you'll see the list of broker accounts. So you can choose the broker which is easy for you. For now, I'll connect to paper trading. So click on paper trading. Click on connect. And now paper trading is connected to my account. And finally I can buy and sell shares. So again click on this buy button. A trading window will open. Here you can mention how many shares you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy 20 shares. You can see other metrics too over here. You can analyze this. And once you are done and you are ready to buy the shares, you can click on this buy button. And if everything works fine, you'll proceed further to buy the shares. If you jumped into any error, you can fix the issue as per the instruction. So that's it. That's how you can buy shares in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.